Nagutom tayo kaya merienda time sa Sbarro. Okay, we're excited. So delicious and yummy, yummy. Ano gusto mo lang?
Meron yung blueberry.
Ha?
Blueberry.
Meron silang chicken, no? Wow! Meron silang blueberry. Cheesecake. Fruit salad.
Here na.
White tapos yung natin.
Tapos meron silang Chicago white. Ayan, no? Wow, spinach! Sarap, oh. Sarap. May Hawaiian, Porkies, and white, New York white, New York cheese, pepperoni, ham and cheese, Chicago all meat, and syempre dito tayo sa Chicago white. Okay. What do you want to eat?
Pizza.
Pizza? Sbarro. Huh? You want Sbarro? Yes? Order ang ating asawa ng spinach pizza. Hi.
Hi. I want order spinach, no? And guys, order pizza, yum pizza. And yummy cake here. Have cake here.
Blueberry tayo na.
Blueberry, yay! Bye-bye! Hi guys, this is spinach is bread and white pizza. My favorite dessert, guys.
With
With pizza.
white pizza.
I have blueberry.
You like it? Okay, let's eat.
Ito, hindi nyo maubos yan.
I'll eat now.
With ice cream.
Okay na.
Hi guys. This is pizza. Toasted buns. Dito yan. And
Kung may dikit yung ganun mo.
white